Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Mermaid Tail if you don't have this already. So right now, I'm just on the game. I think refreshes every like few months or something. You'll need to dress up as a mermaid, and basically, you have well, you don't have. Well, I think you have to like be the best like mermaid there is in the server. Best mermaid there is in the server. I don't know why I said that twice. But you're just going to create your mermaid look here. I already have the fits, so I'm not going to try too hard. I want to give people, I guess, the chance to win. Well, I'm not saying I'm like the best at this game, but like still, I want people to obviously win this mermaid tail. I already won it, and like I already have it, so I don't need it, but yeah, that is pretty much how you can get the Mermaid's Tail if you didn't get it last year. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I think this is only going to be like this for the first round that Dress to Impress is open. So right now. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and may the best mermaid win.